Hey, what's up, guys? This is Zach Rudy's Classic Auto and Chop Shop, Harvard, Nebraska. Just showing you the current 60 to 64 parts car inventory. Let me know what you need. Mainly 4-doors right now. I got a part in that one wagon, 60 wagon. I got 264 Galaxy 2-door sport roofs as well, not in this video. The 62 factory AC car, complete. Just let me know what you need. You guys can get me at my Facebook page, Rudy's Classic Auto and Chop Shop, or my cell phone number is 402-469-5703. Just got this convertible in, pretty rough, pretty decent doors, few odds and ends. No convertible stuff, no seats. Also over there is that 1960 wagon, really good back tailgate. Let me know what you guys need. Later. Alright guys, October 22nd, 2019, kind of updated video for Ford guys. Parts cars, project cars, mainly just parts cars. Got really 1940s to the 1950s, 1960s Fords in inventory right now. Let me know what you need. Mercs, a lot of Merc stuff. I got a lot of 53, 54, 2, 3, 4 Merc stuff right now. Wagon parts. This one probably should be saved complete, but I haven't parted it out yet. 57 4-door. Merc 2-door 64s, 67, 65s, 66s, convertible 63s. Just give me a holler, give me a call, message me. I'll try to get back to you as fast as I can. I'm near Harvard, Giltner, Nebraska. Always willing to pull, pack, and ship parts on your dime. My cell phone number, 402-469-5703. Again, that's 402-469-5703. Here's some shoebox section. Getting a little picked over, but there's still a lot of stuff. About fell on my ass right there. Chipped on a sunflower. Merc here, some older Fords. So give me a holler, see if I can help you out. Hey guys, Zach Rudy here, Rudy's Classic Auto and Chop Shop, Harvard, Nebraska. Just showing you guys the 52 to 54 Ford inventory, parts cars. Got a lot of 52 to 54 parts car stuff, a lot of Mercury stuff put away. Just let me know what you need. Give me a call, message me, text message. My cell phone number is 402-469-5703. or you can get me at my Facebook page, Rudy's Classic Auto and Chop Shop. Two-door, four-doors, Mercuries, wagons. Let me know what you need. Take it easy.